Now then, where are we? I'm on this railway station again in Lancaster, and I'm heading to Blackpool. I was undecided where to go. I had Ambleside in my mind, Manchester and Skipton, but the reason I decided Blackpool is it's nearer and it's a little bit cloudy, so we could have some rain, and if that's the case, there's quite a lot of indoor places in Blackpool where I can shelter from the rain. I'm going to go do some street photography today and make a little vlog, so hopefully I can get some good pictures. So my train's due in about 10 minutes time. I've got to change at Preston. Platform 1 to Blackpool.
Yeah.
Right, made it to Blackpool. It's changed a little bit around here since the last time I was here. A little bit more modern. I spent a bit more money on it. So let's head towards the promenade area. Get my camera out and do a little bit of photography. It's always windy in Blackpool. I haven't really got a plan. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go and have a look in the North Pier. It's windy as per usual. There's the first look of the tower up there, and I don't know who this is here. Anyone can tell me? Put it in the comments below. Is it anyone? The tide's in, so that could be adding to the wind problems. He's still going, he's Roy Chubby Brown. Right, I've took a few photographs on the pier. It's a little bit windy, I didn't go all the way down, but here's a few. You won't believe it's the 2nd of July today, and people are wrapped up like they are in the winter. There's nothing picturesque about these people with the coats on. Guy over there.
Today.
How old is he?
He's about 12.
12,
11
yeah.
or 12 will be, will he?
Yeah.
It's okay.
How long you been doing this, mate? A long time?
10 years.
Yeah. Is it quiet now, is it? Yeah?
Yeah.
I come from Morecambe, it's shite in Morecambe.
Carried it anyway.
Cheers, pal. Look at these two people in the centre. So, enjoying myself, snapping away. Just took a few shots under this pier. All the textures, the decay. Look at that. Look at that under there. I don't know how old this is, this pier. Not going to last forever. And you can imagine sometimes a tide way up there, almost touching the wooden rafters. Right, I think that's enough around here. Right, just find it fascinating. All the textures. I've said textures a few times, and I'll have to use a new word. I find it fascinating, all the different colours and shades and everything. This is a good shot here, this water running down, so I'm going to take that now. Right, I've had a little bit of a wander to the end of the pier. We'll walk back through the centre of the pier. It's a little bit windy around here. Are you okay?
Yes, thank you.
I don't know, I'm okay. Where are you from?
Sri Lanka.
Oh, you have durian fruit, yeah?
Sorry?
Durian fruit?
Oh, my favorite.
I like it.
My favorite.
Yeah, you can't buy it here.
Huh?
You can't buy it, can you?
Well, there is a shop.
Where?
If you ask, then they will bring it.
Which shop? In Blackpool?
In Oxford Square.
No, I don't. I'm from Lancaster, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It'd be expensive though, won't it? I bet.
They are. The first one they bought, I paid £47,
For the,
but still worth it.
was it frozen or fresh?
Fresh.
Fresh?
I don't like frozen ones. No.
Yeah.
Fresh, like this size. Oh my God, it was
Beautiful.
amazing. Second time they had, little ones I bought, and I paid only, £18, 99,
Yeah,
something like that.
but
Small
small.
one. It
How
wasn't
much in
worth
Sri
it.
Lanka? Very cheap.
It depends. On the season, it's like about 2,000 rupees, so that means about £5.
That's cheap though, isn't it?
Yeah. But off season, we can't even hardly find.
No,
But
no. I've
when
been to
I go on holiday, I'm digging for everywhere. I go every corner and
Yeah.
then I'm asking, do you have durian? Do you have
durian. I've been to Thailand and I've had it there. Beautiful.
Oh, they are very tasty.
Yeah,
Thailand.
but it's the same. Is it not the same durian? No.
It is, but they got more. Thailand, they have more.
Yeah,
and, like bigger versions.
Bigger versions, yeah.
Because I think they pick before it's drop from the
Right,
trees.
yeah.
If you wait until it drop from out of the trees, it tastier.
Ah, right.
So that's what they say.
Okay, thank you. The weather's turning back, it's getting windier, it's going to rain soon. I've decided, sacking it off, going home. Might just have a look in this shopping centre for a bit, see if there's a camera shop. But it's been short and sweet. But to be brutally honest, can't be arsed. What a kerfuffle. I got a meal deal, $3.50, which is good value, but I got a Costa coffee, and there's a guy on the checkout doing his lottery, and I must have been stood there for 5 minutes, and my coffee, it was like almost cold. So I said to the woman, "It's cold this, I've been waiting that long." So she says, "Alright, do you want to get a Red Bull?" So I says, "Right, okay." So I got coronation chicken, a grab bag packet of crisp chicken and a Red Bull, all for $3.50. Now that's not a bad value. I'll give them that, Sainsbury's, I'll give you that.